welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. For today's video guys, we will be doing our cash stuffing for the month of July. This is going to be my second paycheck. And we all know, I know na na-miss nyo ito. Guys, before I start with our video for today, I just wanted to introduce myself for those folks that are new to my channel. My name is Val. I am a mom of two and a wife, and this is my financial journey in which I talk about how we all can achieve our financial goals. All of the videos and experience that I talk about here in my channel is all about my own personal journey, guys. So I hope that some of my videos will be helpful, or you get some inspiration for the future or for getting those goals, guys. I know that it's taking some time or a while before I was able to create this video, or before I created this video, guys, because as I mentioned previously, diba, nag-crack or nag-crash yung aking video about the cash stuffing for the first paycheck of July, and it was unintentionally talaga, guys, and so sad. Hindi ko alam kung anong nangyari. Guys, I am not actually feeling sick. I am crying right now, or I may sound that I'm crying because I do my own false eyelashes. And by doing so, talagang nangingiyak-iyak ako dito dahil hindi ko alam na yung eyelash glow remover, mahapdi siya sa mata. Kaya yun yung nangyari, guys. Kaya ako ngayon iyak ng iyak, or ayong mag-stop ng aking luha, and I'm sounding like sinisipon. Actually, no. Dahil ito sa nangingiyak talaga ako sa sakit ngayon. So please, guys, excuse nyo muna yung voice ko, at pagbigyan nyo na ako kasi I needed to do this video or recording. So yes, I will start with our first paycheck for today. For the guys, para sa utang, by the way, yung process ko nito, siguro by the every 15th of the month, I no longer withdraw that. I will just keep it in my account and transfer it the account where I will be paying off my utang, and which is sa BPI siya na account. So from BDO, ito transfer ko siya to the BPI account, guys, or kung kanino ko siya babayaran. So yung earning ko for this paycheck, guys, is 16,800 from from my full-time job, and then a quarter, so I already received my paycheck from our events industry na business, which is 6,200. So overall, wait lang, check ko muna yung notes ko dito. Ay, ang hirap ng sipon ko, guys. Actually, di siya sipon. Ano siya? Dahil nangyayak ako. So overall, na income ko for this paycheck, it's 23,000, guys. 23,000. But I decided that I will do my cash stuffing only for my full-time job. And for the budgeted na expenses ko, guys, it's 10,800, and I realized it's too small siya. Yeah.
Let me pause a moment, guys, and before we continue for our video for today, I just wanted to let you know that I'm offering my financial journey template planner for free. So this is going to be a free download for you guys. All you have to do is just click down the link below, where you can add your name, your email address, where I can send this over for you. This is totally for free. I'm giving it out for you guys as a thank you for supporting my channel. The budget planner is the same planner that I'm using in all of my videos, guys. So this one is very helpful to use since it's very helpful for me. So again, thank you, and let's dive in back to the video.
So first is we have our utang, which is 1,500, and then we still have the grocery. By the way, I am keeping the money which is in my grocery, guys. Hindi ko siya ilalagay sa rollover. And parang ang bilis talaga ng video ko, no? Nasa Mamshi na pala tayo. So for my Mamshi, guys, that's my mother-in-law, I always give her 3K each month. So I'm putting 1,500 here. for her parang medicine na rin. Then I have the vitamins which is 500, and then I'm already practicing the education na tuition fee of 4,000, yung kuya allowance na 1,000. Actually, this part guys, short talaga yung income ko if I'm just going to like think of only yung full-time job ko, no, because I have put the transportation na allowance here for 2,800. That is actually computed for the amount of transportation of my eldest, which is yung anak ko. And then yeah, I was actually calculating how I could do this. And then to tell you guys, um, I'm already a regular supervisor in my position, so nakapag-sign na ako doon. So what will happen, there will be changes on my pay grade. So yung allowance ko na yung parang confirmation allowance while I'm on a probationary, those allowances actually will be added to my basic pay. So once it will be added to my basic pay guys, yung basic pay, yun yung kasi yung nun kasi yung kukunin yung porsyento ng night diff ko, night differential, because I'm working at night. So the more na malaki yung basic pay ko, the more din malaki yung makukuha ko in terms of night differential. So I will be like expecting that my upcoming income will be more of that. So I really do hope that whatever I allocated or budgeted on our anong tawag nito, on our monthly or bi-weekly guys, which I can see na hindi siya enough for the 15th paycheck because I'm only receiving 16,000 right now. So I do hope na mas maging malaki pa siya once I receive my new pay grade. So I do hope, kasi kung hindi man, talagang kulang yung income ko for our bi-weekly expenses, and that's for real. I still wanted to continue my daughter for the common, for the tutorial, but if God forbid na hindi na talaga, I can no longer afford it, then yeah, I might have to let her stop and then just focus on her studies. Actually, this bi-weekly budgeting, it's cash stuffing guys, is very quick lang. It's very quick to the part na hindi naman talaga ako masyadong na-challenge in terms of budgeting, kasi wala naman talagang masyadong kuri-kuri, kasi na-withdraw ko naman yung pera, at saka yung na-withdraw ko meron din tag hundreds. So it's actually good as of the moment while I'm doing this, kaya masyado siyang mabilis. I don't know, whatever I can share, I will let you know on our next paycheck guys, if I will let you an update, no, because if you can see on my previous videos, I do have that anxiety and like I do have that concern in terms of the tuition fee of my son, if I could really afford it or not. I was able to share that on my previous video na I was really hesitant, but I asked God for like I asked him for a signal, and he sent me that signal guys, and I'm so glad. I do hope that he will not let me down. I do hope that I really can afford this, and I hope that he will not, na hindi niya ako papabayaan in terms of our monthly expenses and with my income. So God, please help out. So I think that's it for now guys. On our next video, still the process would be, I will share with you my savings update. So thank you, and I do hope that you will subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.